Hello guys, how to install WSL Windows subsystem for Linux Ubuntu distro on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and simply go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, you should enter the command as shown on the screen, WSL install, and in place of distro name you should enter the exact name of Linux distro. Here in this window we will enter the distro name as Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Install D Ubuntu, press enter. Wait some time and Windows will now install Ubuntu Linux distro for your Windows 11 system till the installation process is complete. Wait.